Hello again. Welcome to the Money Express. We bring you the latest and the finest solutions on how you can earn online. Today, I'll share my discovery with you all where you can earn up to $2,000 just with Google search. Insane, right? But before that, welcome again to another video here at Money Express where we teach you ways on how you can earn money online, hassle-free, and fast. Before anything else, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. You might use Google to find answers on a daily basis. You look for answers while trying to have a good time. Did you realize though that you can use it to generate a lot of money online? Yes, there is a website that will compensate you to search in Google for free. You can use it on your own mobile device, laptop, computer, or any device available, and you can do it from any location wherever you are. And if you complete this video, I will show you a step-by-step process on how to do this so you can start stacking in cash right here, right now. I'll go over each step in detail and I'd like you to trail along with me so after watching, you'll be ready to bloom out and gain actual cash. So listen carefully and follow the procedures. Remember that this will be a very basic tutorial because we will only be focusing on two websites. Starting it off, we will be using google.com, and in a minute, I'll introduce you to the second. Now, a lot of you guys are curious on why I'm sharing these techniques with you all. I'm doing this to help you earn, especially during these times that it is hard to earn online income. Proceeding, the first step you need to do is access Google and leave it as it is. Now, the major site that we will be going to and bag tons of income online with Google is mindsumo.com. But you must be careful because if you go directly to mindsumo.com and try to facilitate it out on your own, you will be disappointed. However, I'll disclose with you a simple Google hack that will enable you to receive a lot of cash with MindSumo, and you won't have an idea on what to do. The following steps will show you how to combine both to generate earnings effortlessly by searching on Google and how to write scripts too. If you follow each step, you will be prepared to start digging in for some gold. As you can see, MindSumo.com has partnered with renowned corporations. It proves its worth from this alone. Some examples of these corporations are Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Adidas, Facebook, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM, and many others have all worked with them. Take a peek at some of the biggest corporations in the world and see how much money can be made. This is how large a one basic search can be. You simply are required to sign up for mindsumo.com, and you may be wondering how to do so. So you head to the login/sign up page and click here. Because you are new and you have no account, basically click on this one right here to create one for free. Simple. Type in your first and last name, your country and email address, then make a never before seen password, and then input your birthday. The next step is to select your gender. Then you'll need to grade yourself according to skills like creativity, marketing, and technical skills. This is completely non-mandatory. However, aside from your actual talent, I suggest selecting something like average proficiency or above proficiency, since this will increase your chances of grabbing more money. As a result, maybe I'd go with standard proficiency. These three boxes right here are not vital as they will register you for their email list if you check them, and that's clearly not what you're looking for. It's easy to accept their terms and conditions and with their privacy policy, which can be viewed by clicking on both of these links. You won't desire any spam emails, so you'll need to just check these two boxes right here. After so, click on the I am not a robot and register. Then you'll be able to create an account on mindsumo.com. Once you've logged in, you'll be able to navigate down to view all of the various challenges, questions, and projects that you may respond to and get compensation. As you can see, they're paying out anywhere from a few $100s to thousands of dollars, and on the left side, you'll be able to see varieties of columns from which to choose. So there will undoubtedly be plenty of income to be earned on this website because new questions, projects, and challenges are submitted every day. Well, if you guys are entertained by this video so far, don't forget to tap on that like button and subscribe. Now, going back, let me share to you a few examples of work. You'll see how much cash individuals have been earning with this challenge by itself. If I pop open this one right here, these are their overall funds as well as the following results as shown below. It will be a lot more than what you see at times. So please bear with me as I teach you how to use that easy Google hack and how to get paid to search on Google. So I'd like you to return to this page and choose from some of these sections. Let's take the field of computer science as an example. Then simply pick one of these works that interests you and you'll be taken to that works page where they'll ask you an inquiry. This is the most important question we must respond to, and we have a potential to win this sum of money. So who will be tricked on which side, right? What you're obliged to do is follow these steps. Copy and paste this question into Google. As a result, we can locate a solution on Google. Moreover, you would have time to read all of these pages. This one, for an instance, we will see whether there is an answer to our questions, and you'll notice that this is perfectly what we're searching for. Instead of this, I may, for example, select it and convert it to blue as well as alter that area to bold or anything similar. It's entirely adjustable as you can see, and it's quite basic. So all you have to do now is type in the answer on Google and edit it in Google Docs. Once you're finished, basically click the file, select download, and save it as a PDF file. It will appear somewhat like this once you access that document, and as you may observe, this is a very professional approach. Once you've saved it in your device, simply return here and forward your answer, and you'll almost certainly get a piece of the action from this query. Remember that you will not be able to win the entire prize, so you ought to split it with other players. Finding the answer in Google was quite simple, and it took me less than 5 minutes. Now, I have the opportunity to earn hundreds of dollars and not spend a single dime. So all you have to do now is input the question into Google, find the answer, and once you've done this, all you have to do now is tap on this "I have an idea," then enter to my account, type in my email address, and pass the answer using my password. And we're done. So just by searching, there's a good potential of generating a ton of money on the web. Of course, winning the challenge and receiving a portion of the prize is not assured, but it only takes a few minutes to do a Google search. It's basically a breeze. You may do it anywhere, so why not do it in your leisure time and catch some extra income? That's it for the meantime. I hope you were able to learn something valuable today, and of course, we would like to know what you think about this video. Please leave a comment down below and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And to watch more videos like this, hit the notification bell and don't forget to hit the like button. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned to the next one. Bye!